How we doing, folks? Absolutely lovely to see you. Now, we've been doing this whole weekend baking project for a while now, and I think it's time we take the next step and make some donuts. Not just any donut, we are doing one of my favorites, an old-fashioned sour cream glazed donut. Timmy's, we're coming for you. Folks, let's bake. First things first, in a bowl, add all the dry ingredients, mix them together, and set it off to the side. Next, in a stand mixer, mix together sugar, butter, a couple egg yolks, and then we're gonna add in sour cream and the flour mixture together. Mix that into a ball and let it sit in the fridge for about an hour. Remove from the fridge, roll that dough out to about a ½ inch thick sheet, and then cut those donuts out. Fry them in hot oil, and they are so good. Be sure to eat them warm. That's what I'm talking about. Yum. Make that.